Hi guys, good morning. We're here at Descanso Filipino Cafe. They serve Filipino breakfast. So, I ordered tapsilog. John ordered bangsilog. I ordered cold pressed na pure orange. Oh, ayan, very good. Vitamin C, immunity. Kasi may sipon ako. And then, John ordered, ano to babe? Lemon iced tea?
Calamansi.
Calamansi iced tea? Wow, ang sarap naman. Namiss ko magkalamansi, babe.
Yung mga kalamansi dito.
Pwedeng magtanim, di ba? Ang sarap.
Then, may mamabo. Tayo na.
Talaga. Hey, kain na. Masarap? You like it? Fish. Bangsilog. We have, ano yun, babe? Bangsilog.
Bangkulong.
Masarap daw. And tortang talong. And then I got beef tapsilog. Kain na. Hop. Hello! Ang sarap. Busog. We're here at Telstra. So, ito yung mga plans nila. So, yan yung yan. So, ito yung kinuha namin. Just the $39 prepaid.
Thank you.
Still connecting. Hello. So, we just went to Telstra. Meron na akong SIM card. We chose the eSIM para yung New Zealand number ko is ano siya, para yung New Zealand SIM card ko maiwan lang sa phone ko, and then naging secondary siya. So yung Australia number ko is yun na yung primary ko. No. So where are we going? Kmart. Pinili lang namin yung prepaid kasi mura lang siya. We have wifi naman sa bahay. Wala silang unlimited internet, no? Walang unlimited internet ang Telstra. Meron yung other, merong unlimited internet daw yung other networks. Pero ang pinili namin is Telstra because yun ang, meron kaming signal sa Outback. Walang iba. Wala talagang other network. Anyway, so, yeah. Okay, we're gonna go to Kmart and we will shop for our household essentials. May bayad? Kailangan ng coin.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I thought we had to pay.
You know, it's easier.
Yeah.
Thank you. But normally we have to pay?
But the coin comes back out, so it's free. But,
Ah.
You know,
Oh, that's good to know. So how much? What coin?
any gold coin unlocks it.
Any.
So $1, $2.
I only have New Zealand. It doesn't work.
I didn't bring
I
my...
tried in Aldi.
Look, we just do it so people bring them back.
Yeah, that's such a good idea. So, eto guys. Wait. So, eto, if you come to Kmart or probably sa Aldi then other stores, you have to put a gold coin to unlock this. And then, once you return it, lalabas din yung coin dyan. That's so new. sabi nung lalaki, i-unlock ko na lang para sa inyo. So we didn't pay anything kasi wala naman kaming coins. Ang bait niya. So the reason daw is for people to return the trolley, which makes sense, no? That's a good one. Okay, bilhin na tayo ng mga gamit. $10 siya, pero 4 na.
5 yun, 4 na.
Hindi, 2 lang yan. Pangit ang quality nun. Nakabili na ako ng ganun sa New Zealand dati. Uy, may sale, $5. Ito na lang. Gray.
Wala bang second hand?
So, ito na yung damage dito sa Kmart. And the next trolley. Babe, hindi ko nakita yun. Ano? Alright. Starting over again. Ha? Nakakapagod. Hi guys. So we're here in IKEA. Dito lang sa malapit sa Sydney Airport. We're looking for a bed. So far wala pa kami nakikitang bed. I look medyo haggard na kasi. Pagod na ako. And I'm still not feeling well. May sipon pa din ako. Pero ang gaganda ng furnitures. Ganda ng couch. Magkano yan?
$1,400.
You know what? We can have a look kung anong gusto natin na couch. Or kasi they deliver.
Couch at saka kuan, dining set.
$59 lang yung ano.
Ganito yung ano natin. Sink natin. Pero merong extended dito para sa mga paglagyan ng na-wash na dishes. Ganito siya nakalabas.
Pero ganito ba kaganda o hindi? Luma talaga. Tingnan mo yung fridge. $599. Bakit?
Mga laman.
Ganda naman ng furnitures dito, no? Pero ang kailangan natin, bedroom eh.
Wala kang bedroom, no?
Ay, ayun na, may bed na. Ganito yung green sa atin, ano? Sa bahay natin, ganyan na green.
Ano sa ka-idea kung anong kulay ang bagay, no?
Ay, basic colors lang.
I like this space.
Maganda to na parang office. Bagay sa'yo, love.
Someday.
Hi. More shopping. Gutom na ako and pagod. Ikaw?
Sobrang guys.
Babe. Hi! Uy, may table din. Hello. So, we're here at Fantastic Furnitures. Maghahanap kami ng bed. Titingin-tingin kami ng mga furnitures dito. May napili na kami na bed. Nice din to. Wala talaga kaming gamit as in. Nice din to. Yung concern lang namin is yung delivery. Kasi hindi na siya kakasya sa kotse namin. So, ito yung nagustuhan namin. Okay din naman siya. So, wala na palang stock yung gusto naming mattress. So, John decided that we'll get this one. It's nice. Kailangan na lang namin ng bed frame. Nakabili na ako ng bed frame. Ano lang, yung standard metal bed frame. Nakabili na ako online. Actually, sa Facebook Marketplace. I bought it for $80. So, second hand lang. Carry na yun.
Our dogs?
Picking up from T2?
T1.
T1 International.
Okay.
Alright. So, we're here sa Qantas Freight Terminal 1.
Qantas Freight.
Customer parking. Pwede natin tanongin. Kasi ano man, Qantas Freight Terminal check-in. Terminal customer parking dito sa kabila. Alright guys, so hindi namin sila nahanap. We went to the domestic pala. Not international. Wala naman kasing signage. Nakalagay lang pets. Anyway. So we're gonna go to international. Same terminal pa din. Same area but just the different building. Hi guys. So, ready na. Ready na ang ready nang madumihan ng car ni Baba. So, their seatbelts. Their seatbelts are ready. I really like this. I'm not sure if may ganito sa New Zealand, but the one that we got from Kmart before, hindi ganito. No? This one's a good one. Tapos may mapaglagyan ng seatbelt. I don't know if may ganito sa New Zealand na Kmart. But we just got this here sa Kmart dito sa Sydney.
Oh, grabe talaga si Mochi. Saan napadpad.
Wait lang, babe. Hi, guys! Hi, Mochi! Hello!
Iba talaga si Mochi. A very well-traveled dog. Nag-airplane pa.
So, guys, Team Spitzu is finally complete in Australia! Hi! Hello, Hershey! Hello! Matcha! Our details are still there, babe.
Fine. I think you can grab this one?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Maybe just take off all our information from it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, do you want me to help?
Yeah, it's a bit
Maybe hold my dog,
wedged in.
and I will take it off. Stay there, Mochi.
Mochi, stay!
Rapon siya pa.
Welcome
you.
to Australia.
Aw,
New
thank
Zealand.
you!
Oh, wow.
We are here sa Pet O. We have just donated the crates that the two dogs used. John's looking for Ziwi. So, kukuha lang kami ng dog food because they don't have food at all.
Should I send it to you guys?
Ang pretty nito. Happy birthday. This is so cute.
here.
Yeah. No. Guys, do you want to say hi? Careful.
I hope you got that too.
Yeah. Ang ganda.
Babe, we gotta take a selfie.
Okay.